Dear students, welcome back to our channel Mind Mapping. I feel happy that you are constantly watching our channel. And today we have taken a topic from class 6 science. That topic has been taken on request. Okay, so let's start the topic taproot and fibrous. Taproot and fibrous roots. So let's discuss our topic today. A seed. A seed is the future plant. A seed grows into a big plant, big tree. So you see, and this process we call it germination. For germination, what are the conditions? What are the factors that are required? Number one, soil, required amount of water, moderate temperature, air, etc. These are the essential requirements for germination of a seed. And when a seed germinates, what happens? You look at this picture. Now you find two cotyledons, this side and that side. And the cotyledon, they store food for growth of the plant. You see, upper side, this is upward, as we call plumule. It turns into the shoot, that is stem, branches, leaves, etc. And downward, you see, it is called radicle that grows into the root system. It grows under the soil and the shoot system grows above the soil. This is very important, please remember. And this process is called germination of a seed. Plumule, that is turns into shoot, and the radicle grows into root system. Now look at, we have taken two plants. One is dicot plant, mustard, and the other is monocot plant, maize. Look at the roots. Let us compare the structure and what differences do we see or do we find in both the cases. You see, in this case, in the dicot plant, we find a main root. So from the soil, it goes downward. This is called taproot. And the tip is just like a cone. And this root, taproot, is called main root of the plant. So naturally the structure is, you look at the picture, it is thick and strong. And the tip, just like a cone, a conical structure, it helps in penetrating the soil so that the main branch goes, the main root goes deep into the soil. Then from the main root, we find lateral roots arise. These are called lateral roots, or we call it branch roots. They arise from the main root. What they do? They spread under the soil. They anchor the soil, means they hold the plant strongly or firmly with the soil. So these are called lateral roots or branch roots. Now you see, the branch roots have hair-like structures. The hair-like structures, these are called root hairs. They help in absorption of water and minerals from the soil. You see, it is thick and strong, and it can penetrate into the soil, and the end is conical in structure. Lateral or branch roots arise from the tap root or the main root, and from the branch here, from the branch roots, we find root hairs, and the main root goes deep into the soil. And this type of root system or main root or tap root is found in dicot plants, in papaya, gram, mustard, bean, mango, guava, etc. So let's compare this root system that is called tap root system with another root system. This is called fibrous. Why it is called fibrous roots? And this type of root system is found in monocot plants. So we have taken an example here, that's maize plant. Now look at. So there is no tap root. That's the first major difference. First difference, there is no tap root. So after germination, so you see here the radicle is lost. So from the base of the stem, fiber-like, thread-like structures arise. You see, no main root and thread-like roots, a bunch of thread-like roots, they arise from the base of the stem. And all threads are, these are called roots, all thread-like roots are similar in structure, approximately similar in length, similar in structure and size. What they do, they also spread under the soil, but they spread under the low layer of the soil. They don't go deep as the main, so the main lateral branches, the lateral roots or tap roots, they go deep in the soil in case of tap root system. So in fibrous roots, the fibrous roots, they spread under the soil, under the low layer of the soil. This is the difference. Please note it. We have written here low layer of the soil is spread and they arise from the stem base. And this type of root system, the fibrous root system, is found in monocot plants. And they look like fibers, like threads, a bunch of fibers, a bunch of threads. That's why this root, these roots are called fibrous roots. But here, tap root, the only main root, and these are the branch roots. But here, all roots are of similar size, similar structure, similar size. So, a bunch of fiber-like structures. So, these fiber-like structures are called fibrous roots. So, these are the major differences between the taproot system and the fibrous root system. Now, let's discuss what they do, what's their function, what's their function. The major three functions we have now mentioned here for class 6th. So, the root, they have a venation, like leaf venation, they have a venation system. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. And water and minerals are transported through the stem to different parts of the plant. This is the main function and important function of the root system. Then another function, both the roots, they give mechanical strength to the plant so that it is difficult to uproot a plant. That's why these are called anchors. The roots are called anchors. They hold the plant firmly, strongly in the soil. So they give mechanical strength to the plant So we can easily uproot the fibrous root plant, the monocot plant, but the dicot plant, it is difficult here because the root system has gone deep into the soil. That the difference has gone deep into the soil. So absorption of water and minerals is a major function. Then mechanical strength, they provide mechanical strength to the plant. They hold the plant strongly in the soil. Then some roots, in some plants, the roots, they store food and they become edible part of the plant and we eat them. You might have eaten it like carrot, radish, sweet potato. These are roots and they store food. And so where the food is prepared, who do prepare the food? Do prepare the food. So the roots, they absorb water and minerals. It is transported to the leaves, and the leaves, they prepare food for the plant by the process photosynthesis that will be discussed in our next class. So the prepared foods, the food prepared by the leaves are transported to different parts of the plant and also to the roots. So some roots, they store food and the stolen part that we eat. These roots are called edible roots and we eat them. Okay? So these are the major concepts and these are the major differences of taproot and fibrous roots. Here taproot is only one, but here is no taproot. Hope your concept is clear. You will be happy to learn and please follow your textbook line by line to compare and make a note of it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and you may watch our series of videos that we are going to upload shortly for class 6 science. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to watch our videos. Thank you.